stop for a second. So yesterday I made $1,030 while I was at the coffee shop with a friend, and I didn't have to physically work. I didn't have to sell to anybody. I didn't have to create my own products. I made that money completely in passive income. And there's so many people on social media who are making 1,000, 5,000, 10K, and even 20K in a day. I know how this sounds. Almost 2 years ago, if I had seen a guy on social media where he says he's making money without physically working, I would have laughed at his face and said it's BS. The reason why we don't believe in such things is because we've been conditioned by our parents, who were conditioned by society, that the only way to make money is to physically work, to work 8 hours a day, to be okay with being a slave to a job as long as it provides you with security, and to trade your time for money. Which is why I sat on this opportunity for so long, until I decided to give it a try and see it for myself. I'm here to tell you that you don't need experience, you don't need prior education or any skills, and you don't have to be physically working for 8 hours to make a living. If you want to learn how anyone can make passive income from home or from anywhere, working just 3 hours a day from their phones, then see the link in my profile to get started.